Maybe, I don't know. But mbona hakuongea kwa hiyo recording? Samira alinyamaza kwa hiyo recording.
Surprisingly. Surprisingly.
Mbona hakuongea kwa hiyo recording? Msichana ndiye aliongea peke yake.
Surprisingly, yeah.
Si nimeona hizo recording.
But, you know, listen. Okay, personally, sijai kuona ukiaddress this lady. That naweza sema umemchokoza. Okay?
I will never.
So, there's a problem here, and this is the problem. Either you talk to this man gives you more attention, and I'm sorry to say this, more than he gives the girl, the wife.
Samir doesn't give me attention, I swear. He doesn't.
Let me tell you how. Let me tell you just the way he gives you attention. He keeps talking about you with the lady. That a lot is an attention.
Okay. Then basi ya deal na Samir, mimi naingilia wapi?
Because unasema you are destroying her marriage.
How am I destroying it? How?
Well, you know, okay, guys, sincerely, the TikTok, what 10,000, we have roughly 11,000 people watching this live combined. Guys, today, if a poll is done between Hannah Benta and Jilo, who will we choose? Arakaraka, very fast too. Everybody, conversation Arakaraka. Let us be honest. The wife or Hannah Benta? I want to tell Hannah Benta why kuna threat kwa ile ndoa. I want just to tell Hannah Benta Arakaraka. Sawa. Kuna kitu anaelewi. If a poll is done, watu 5,200 kwa Hannah Benta, watu 6,000 kwa live yangu. Hao ni watu ngapi? Kama a poll imefanywa leo, nani atachaguliwa? Let's be honest. Ndio muone why that girl is insecure. She has read the ground and your ground iko wapi. She knows ground iko wapi. Because Hannah Benta will be chosen today, tomorrow, and the following day. You understand? So, ule dema anaone kama preference ya watu online. Umejua ndoa inakuanga mzuri kama watu wanapenda bibi yako, watu wanawapenda pamoja. Mnanielewa? Allow me to be honest today. So, ile insecurity ule dema kunayo ni online nation does not recognize her as a wife. They are recognizing the ex-girlfriend to your husband more than they recognize you. That is the bone of contention kwa history ya Jilo, Captain Samir na Hannah Benta. Nimesema tu kweli ilitoke. Anajua online hawamtambui. People will choose Hannah Benta today, tomorrow, and next year. So, and remember here on TikTok, pressure increases every day. So pressure increase, wamekosa ni kama wamezozana sana chini ya maji pale nyuma ya tent mpaka imefika online. Ndio waanze kudiscuss Hannah Benta kwa kamera wakiwa na watu 3,000 watching. It means in private wamediscuss huyu sana.
Yes, sana.
Imewa overwhelm. Unaelewa?
Mbona akunywa kuja niongee?
That is it.
Na mimi sijai muongea.
There are chances that the lady is very much insecure that wewe you can reunite with this guy as soon as possible. That will be the end of the marriage.
Asikuwe na stress jamani. Atiingize anini ashughulike tu na ndoa yake. Mbona ako na stress na mimi?
Okay.
Baby
do you under any given circumstance? Please now you be honest, okay? Because do you under any given circumstance have any not feelings but any kind of engagement with this guy you may attend?
No.
Then what is stressing the wife?
Ningekuwa hata naongea maybe hata vitu za unajua kama ile last nyingine tunakumbuka we had a misunderstanding and then tukarudiana tukiongea tunaongea kama mabeshte. Hakuna hata hiyo kuongea kama mabeshte, ni ile tu hai unaendelea how is the baby imeishia hapo.